Hello guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial. So in this tutorial, in the first part, you've downloaded the Python IDE. So now we're going to open the Python. So after your installation, you're going to have Python here. So this is the latest Python that I just installed. So when you open it, you have IDE. You have this is the ideally this is the command line, and this is the manuals. So I think I've installed it twice, that I have 64-bit and 32-bit. So that's an error on my hand. So but what you're going to open now is the IDE. So this is the interface. This is the prompt. Python is an interpreted language. What that means is it runs each line, and you can send in a command, and then you get the result instantly. So for your Python shell, you have the file, edit, shell, debug, options. So here at this docs, this is where the documentation is. So you can open it up, and then you have a CHM, book that you can go through, and this Python tutorial is actually very good. You can work with it. In this tutorial, we're going to do something very simple, and that is print the name. So to print your name in Python, what you do is print, then let me fix it. After typing this, press enter. So if I'm able to do that, print hello world. So in this tutorial, I'm going to achieve something very simple. You'll be able to print out your name. So see you in the next tutorial.